friends, this is me Zahid Hussain. Our computer embroidery designing complete course on Wilcom software is continued, and in this video you will learn that how we can use insert offset object tool and how we can make offset objects by using insert offset object tool. In the beginning of this video I want to tell you that if you are watching this video first time on YouTube or any other website, so for complete course you can visit our website computerhold.blogspot.com. Here you will get all the details about this complete video training learning course. So open the Wilcom software. Here I have two objects, we will work on them. For example, uh, I have to make some outlines as accurately to this object. So how we can make them? Click on the object and you can see that there is a button of insert offset object. First click on the object which you want to use and then click on the insert offset object button. There are different options. First I will check off them. Now first you have to select the distance. For example, I will choose 2.40 millimeter, and now you have to select the number of counter. For example, I choose only one, and now you have to select the corner type, that what type of corner you want to use. If you want to use a rounded type corner, so you can click here, and if you want to choose a squared corner, so you can click here. For example, I want to choose rounded corner, so I will click here, and this is the option that what type of uh, running you want to use. You can use any type of running like single run, triple run, motif run, input C, etc. For example, I want to use triple run, so I will choose triple run, and now click on OK button. So you can see that insert offset object has created. Control Z for undo. Now click on again. We will change the distance. For example, it was 2.40. I will type here 5 and its counter numbering 4. Now click on OK. So you can see that 4 insert offset objects has created. Control Z for undo, some zoom. Now click again on the object. Now we will change the stitch type and let's say it's numbering and 2, 3, and click OK. So you can see that we need some more distance, for example 7. So in this way we can create any type of insert offset objects. Control Z for undo. Now we will make some different. Now we will choose the stitch of back stitch and distance like 3, offset counts 2, and now we will choose the corner of squared corner. Okay, and now we will click on OK. So you can see that this is the type of object. Control Z for undo. We will check this option on this object. Click on the object and now click on insert offset object. The distance is this, offset count 2, and the corner we are using is secured corner. Now we will click on OK button, press 0 for all preview. So you can see that this is like this. Okay, this is secured corner. Control Z for undo. Now press some zoom. Now click again on this object and insert offset object. Now we are using rounded corner. Now click on OK. So this is the effect. This is the difference between, for example, if I make a duplicate copy of this object, so this is the rounded offset object, and here we will make square corner effect. So this is the difference between them. This is the rounded corner, and these are the squared corner. Now I will make another copy of this. Now click on the object and insert offset object. Now we will use the spiral option. We are creating rounded corners, and we will check this option spiral. So now we will see that what is the effect of this. Click on OK. You can see that in this object, you can see that there are two different type of offset object, but in the spiral you can see that there is only one line is making two insert offset objects. And now remove this some zoom. So now we will see some other option. Now we are making the same, but using replace original. If we will check this option, and if we will use this option replace original, so it will created the offset objects, but it will remove the original object like this. Okay, you can see that the offset object has created, but the original object has removed. Control Z for undo. There is some more options, like if you have to create some offset objects manually, so you can, for example, click here and click on offset object list. Here you can you insert manually the offset objects as you want. For example, I want to use first offset objects on 2 millimeter, and the second on 4 millimeter, and the third on the distance on, for example, 7 millimeter. Now click OK, and I don't want to use the replace original option and use spiral option. Now click OK. So you can see that the first offset object is on the 2 millimeter distance, and the second on about like I don't remember. I actually I think it was on 4 millimeter, and the last was on 7 millimeter. So this is all the method. In this way you can use easily insert offset object. Our topic has completed. I hope you will like this video. For all updates you can subscribe our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Inshallah Aziz, we will meet again in the next video. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.